Welcome back, my name is Kerry and today I've got the ultimate mobile home tour. Last week I made a comparison of mobile home parks and floating mobile home parks or marinas, and today I've come down to visit my in-laws and I'm going to show you around a floating mobile home park as well as inside a floating mobile home. Here's the thing, sailboats are actually a lot more mobile than manufactured homes, so in a sense they are the real mobile homes because any of these boats can untie and leave in about an hour's notice. But the similarities between marinas and mobile home parks go far beyond that. Just like a mobile home park, we've got two types of homes. We've got the catamaran or double wide, and then over here we've got the monohull or single wide. So right now I'm in Bocas del Toro, Panama at the Red Frog Marina. And we're gonna go down to the end because that's where the in-laws boat is. We're gonna go inside, have a full tour of SV Gargoyle. We haven't seen these guys in over 2 years, and right before we came, I got a text from my father-in-law saying we're parked beside a very famous sailing YouTube boat. So let's have a look at that first. This is the world famous SV Delos. They've got like 500,000 subscribers. They've been at the YouTube game for like 10 years just sailing around the world on this boat right here. So let's have a quick look at that and then we'll go across the street and have a look at Gargoyle. So right on the front you can see their iconic logo right there. World famous SV Delos. Pretty cool. But over here across the street is SV Gargoyle, a 50-foot Beneteau. We'll go up top, have a look around, and then we'll go inside and do a full ultimate mobile home tour. Starting at the back of the boat, you've got two places to steer this unit. I don't know the technical terms for sailing, so we're just going to wing it. We'll go up to the front where you can get a good look at some of the other boats in the marina. There's a little bit of deck up here that you can enjoy while you're going or while you're at anchor. But look at this place. Amazing boats here, and there's a really massive one down there. You might be able to see it in the distance. So we'll cruise down the other side here where they've got the paddle boards stored. They throw these off whenever they want a bit of exercise. Because you are on the boat more than you're on land, so you can't really walk around to get exercise, but you get it on the ocean. Come down here, we'll check out the back. There's the dinghy that drops off to taxi to different areas. Flip around. We've got this to keep the cats in. Let's check it out in there. Welcome to SV Gargoyle, a 50-foot Beneteau Oceanis with a first mate named Dean, who, believe it or not, holds higher rank on this boat than I do, which is a little bit sad, but that's the way it goes. On your left, you've got the eating area here. We've got the cushions up because we just stocked this thing for 2 weeks out of the marina. So all under there is jam-packed with food. On the other side, you've got the couch. I'm guessing there's food under there. And where Dean is sitting, that's where Carla edits her YouTube videos on their channel, Sailing Gargoyle. So definitely check that out. Now, wandering up towards the front, you've got the forward cabin, which is where I'm currently staying, and it's actually quite huge. So we've got the queen bed, I think. You've got a window there. Let's see if we can get that to focus. View that side, and then we've got another window over here with our famous neighbors, SV Delos, right across the way. So behind me there is a bathroom complete with a shower and a vent out the top, which is great because in Panama it gets smoking hot. So right now it is absolutely cooking down here. We'll go back this way past the food hammock where the vegetables are hanging right there, most comfortable spot on the boat, into the kitchen. So this handle opens the fridge. We've got a stove over here, storage there. Nowhere big enough to eat all those chips which were required for me. And turn around. We've got the sink And the cat bowl is over here. Yes, there are 2 cats over here. When we see Sammy, we'll have to watch out because she's not a big fan of me. There's a good chance she'll take a swipe at my feet. So this is the second bathroom, right in the middle of the boat. Window there, it's blocked for shade and privacy, I'm guessing. And then you've got the shower over there. There goes Dean. Dean, we're gonna have to lock you in there for now, okay? Just because I need to get by here. So there's Sammy. Again, higher rank than me, and even Dean, I'm guessing, if I had to guess the pecking order. She's performing for the camera. Usually she gives me a good hiss. We'll see what happens when I go over top. There it is. Okay. Okay. I don't know if she's going to let me into the main cabin here, so we'll just lean around the corner. This is the aft cabin, I guess it would call it in sailing lingo. So that's Kevin and Carla's room right at the back of the boat, which again I think is a queen bed. That could possibly be a king. So this boat is quite spacious on the inside. All right guys, I've been staying on the sailboat for the last 12 days and I can report that a sailboat this size is more than enough room for 4 people. We've had an amazing experience aboard SV Gargoyle with the in-laws. It's time for us to head home, so the regular scheduled programming will continue. If you want to follow along with their travels, they're going all around the world on this boat. You can check them out at Sailing Gargoyle on YouTube. We're going to have a couple episodes that Ali and I will be in, so that'll be cool to see as well. That's all I've got for today. If you like manufacturing videos, make sure to subscribe to my channel because I've got new ones coming out every single week. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.